3, 2, 1.
What type of diet is being featured here? The answer is B, one that is heavy in fish. What is the capacity of Drum Theater? The answer is D, 200. Primary batteries are single-use batteries because they cannot be what? The answer is A, recharged. What was the last year in which Reba Royal gold medal was given? The answer is C, 1848. People are sitting in rowboats in the water. A man is standing up in a red rowboat boat. What happens next? The answer is C, flips over and the camera goes into the water. What may be the reason why they are making such assumptions about the pregnant woman? The answer is D, because of how she is dressed. In what year did Prince Harry start attending Eton? The answer is B, 2004. Where was the first iron bridge built? The answer is D, Coalbrookdale, England. What may happen after I set up my home theater? The answer is B, I will be able to watch high-quality movies. Why was their entry late? The answer is A, they had procrastinated with their writing. Some small spider species, as well as the young of larger species, are known for floating in the wind. What is this activity commonly known as? The answer is D, ballooning. What year was Bern founded? The answer is D, 1191. At what age did Frederick depart from Poland? The answer is A, 20. When did the Huguenot movement start? The answer is C, 1562. The atmosphere of Mars is mostly composed of what element? The answer is D, carbon dioxide. When will the BBC's Weekend Highlights package run out? The answer is C, 2016. When was actor Antonio Banderas born? The answer is D, August 10, 1960. Who is Rob texting? The answer is C, he is texting his wife. Who or what is Vincent Massif? The answer is A, the tallest mountain in Antarctica. Did you have to keep it a secret? The answer is B. I had to conform to society. What common name is used to refer to the scavenging animals, representatives of the order Opilions? The answer is C. Harvestmen. What year was it proposed to make Taiwanese the second official language? The answer is A. 2002. In what year was the first geological map of the U.S. produced? The answer is B. 1809. What is the reason that your odds doubled? The answer is D. They are hiring 2 people, not 1. To easily whiten and clean window blinds perfectly, how would you do this? The answer is A. Paint over the blind slats every month. 2/5 of the state's territory was divided between how many families? The answer is B. 17. What year saw the boom of the Miami housing market? The answer is A. 2007. In what year was the Hinge study released? The answer is C. 2011. The man spins the tire using the paddle, then braking. The man pulls the tire off and puts it back on the man. What happens next? The answer is A. Takes it off and on again. What may be my favorite type of art and craft? The answer is C. Sewing. Why do trees like oaks and walnuts depend upon squirrels? The answer is D. To aid in seed distribution. What was seeking on the island? The answer is D. We wanted to find rare herbs. In which of these sports do competitors use a funny car? The answer is D. Drag racing. A man wearing a hat is standing outside. What happens next? The answer is D. Picks up a chainsaw off of the ground. How many field offices does the FBI have in major cities? The answer is C. 56. He puts more cards on the table and takes a hand to earn more tokens. Information on how to download the app. What happens next? The answer is A. Is provided on the screen. What may I have done before seeing Megan? The answer is D. Told my best friend about our breakup. When was the Palace of Trade built? The answer is A. 1869. Shoo, how would you do this? The answer is A. Replaces socket. In what year didn't Miami's government declare bankruptcy? The answer is D. 2001. When did the Bureau create the first air traffic control centers? The answer is B. 1936. When did Bell cease to be president of the National Geographic Society? The answer is D. 1903. On the Kath Kim show, what item was Kim responsible for arranging for Kath's wedding? The answer is B. A statue of Jesus. On the show Starsky Hutch, Starsky drove a red car with a white stripe on the side. What kind of car was it? The answer is A. Ford Torino. In what year was the Legion of the United States established? The answer is A. 1791. What may happen after crying? The answer is A. None of the above choices. What is the state bird of Ohio? The answer is D. Cardinal. What may be the reason for their fright? The answer is A. They weren't expecting someone to pop out. The total assembly of the Boeing 747 would require how many individually numbered and cataloged parts? The answer is A. 4000000. The credits of the clip are shown. A man stands in a stair rail holding a knife. A guy prepare to play the drums. The guy, what happens next?